The drive from Phoenix, Arizona to San Diego, California is 355 miles. If you decide to risk getting a speeding ticket and drive 85 miles per hour rather than the speed limit of 65 miles per hour, how much time would you save? Give your answer to the nearest minute. To solve this problem, we'll be using the equation distance equals rate times time, or d equals r times t. But because we're concerned about the time, we want to solve this equation for t by dividing both sides of this equation by r. Notice here, r divided by r simplifies to 1, so we get the equivalent equation t equals distance divided by rate, or d divided by r. And now we'll calculate the time driving 85 miles per hour and driving 65 miles per hour. Let's call t sub 1 the time when driving the faster rate of 85 miles per hour. So t sub 1 would be equal to the distance of 355 miles divided by the rate of 85 miles per hour. And then t sub 2, the time it takes when driving 65 miles per hour, would be 355 miles divided by 65 miles per hour. And now let's find these quotients on the calculator. So the first time is equal to 355 divided by 85, and the second time is equal to 355 divided by 65. Now in both cases we have distance in miles divided by the rate in miles per hour, and therefore these times are in hours. And let's round to 4 decimal places. So t sub 1 is approximately 4.1765 hours, and t sub 2 is approximately 5.4615 hours. So again, we have 4.1765 hours as the travel time when traveling 85 miles per hour, and we have a traveling time of approximately 5.4615 hours when traveling a rate of 65 miles per hour. To determine how much time is saved by driving 85 miles per hour, we'll take the longer time and subtract the shorter time. So the time saved is equal to 5.4615 minus 4.1765. Subtracting, we get 1.285. Of course, the units are still in hours. So by driving 85 miles per hour, you would save 1.285 hours, but we are asked to give the answer to the nearest minute. So we want to convert 1.285 hours to 1 hour and a certain number of minutes. To determine the number of minutes, we want to convert 0.285 hours to minutes. So we'll write 0.285 hours as a fraction with the denominator of 1, and now we're going to multiply by a unit fraction, or a fraction equal to 1, that will convert the units from hours to minutes. And because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, we're going to multiply by 60 minutes over 1 hour. The reason we have hours in the denominator here is because now the units of hours simplifies out, and this product will give us the number of minutes in 0.285 hours. Let's go back to the calculator. We have 0.285 times 60. And again, we're asked to give the answer to the nearest minute. So while it's exactly 17.1 minutes, we'll say it's approximately 17 minutes. So now we know 1.285 hours is approximately equal to 1 hour and 17 minutes. Let's write our answer as a complete sentence. You would save approximately 1 hour and 17 minutes driving 85 miles per hour rather than 65 miles per hour. So while this could be considered a fairly significant time saving, of course you would risk the chance of getting a ticket, and obviously driving much faster is not as safe as driving the speed limit. I hope you found this helpful.